Artificial intelligence is not just changing your life. It is quietly rewriting the rules of it. Right now, somewhere in the world, an AI is deciding who gets a job interview. Another one is deciding who gets a loan. And somewhere else, an AI-generated video is convincing thousands of people of something that never actually happened. This is not science fiction. This is 2026. Today, we are not going to talk about how AI helps you write emails or edit photos. Today, we are going to talk about the side of AI that most companies don't want you to think about. The dark side of artificial intelligence. Let's start with something very personal. Your job. Every year, millions of jobs are being quietly replaced. Not with robots in factories like we imagined in movies, but with something much quieter. A chatbot answering customer calls. An algorithm writing news articles. A software reviewing legal documents in seconds. Work that used to take a human lawyer days. Companies don't always announce it loudly. They just stop hiring. And slowly, an entire generation of workers finds themselves competing. Not with other humans, but with a machine that never sleeps, never asks for a salary, and never complains. The scary part isn't that AI is taking jobs. The scary part is, we still don't know how many are left to take. Now imagine this. You get a video call from your own mother. Her voice, her face, even the way she blinks. She's asking you to send money urgently. Except, it's not her. It's a deepfake. This is already happening. Around the world, criminals are using AI-generated voices and faces to scam families out of their life savings. Fake videos of political leaders, saying things they never said, spreading before anyone can stop them. And here's the most disturbing part. The technology to create a convincing fake video, today, takes less than 10 minutes. We are entering an age where seeing is no longer believing. Let's talk about something even bigger. Surveillance. In many cities around the world, AI-powered cameras can now recognize your face in a crowd of thousands. They can track where you go, who you meet, how long you stay. Governments say it's for safety, and sometimes it is. But the same technology, in the wrong hands, becomes a tool of control. Not just watching crime, but watching people, watching opinions, watching who disagrees. When a machine can watch everyone, all the time, privacy doesn't slowly disappear. It disappears all at once. Here's something most people don't realize about AI. It's not neutral. AI learns from data, and data comes from us. From our history, our mistakes, our biases. There have already been cases where AI hiring tools quietly rejected resumes based on gender. Where facial recognition software failed to correctly identify people with darker skin tones. Where AI systems used in courtrooms recommended harsher sentences for certain groups of people. Nobody programmed the AI to be unfair, but nobody checked closely enough to make sure it wasn't. And now, the part that keeps researchers up at night. Militaries around the world are developing autonomous weapons. Drones and systems that can identify and engage targets without a human making the final decision. Think about that for a second. A machine deciding who lives and who doesn't. Supporters say it reduces human risk in war. Critics say it removes something we can never get back: human accountability, human hesitation, human conscience. Once we hand life and death decisions to algorithms, there may be no simple way to take that power back. Now, before you close this tab thinking AI is some kind of monster, let's be fair. AI is helping doctors detect cancer earlier. It's helping scientists discover new medicines. It's helping farmers predict droughts. And helping blind people see the world through sound. AI itself is not good or evil. It's a mirror. It reflects the intentions of the people who build it and the people who use it. The real question isn't, is AI dangerous? The real question is, who is holding the controls, and are they being held accountable? So here's my question for you. Do you think we can control this technology before it controls us? Or have we already opened a door we can't close? Let me know in the comments below. If this video made you think even a little differently about AI, hit subscribe, because we're just getting started with these deep, uncomfortable questions. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future isn't something that happens to us. It's something we build.